1. Keep plants to reduce dust. Did you know that some indoor plants can actually help keep your home cleaner? It's true. Plants like snake plants and pothos not only look great, but also improve air quality and naturally trap dust. I've got a few of these green friends scattered around my house, and I've noticed a significant difference in the amount of dust that settles on my furniture. Plus, it's a relaxing activity that doesn't feel like work at all. I'd often find myself chatting with my plants as I wipe their leaves, telling them about my day. They're great listeners. 2. Install peel and stick tiles for easy maintenance. These nifty inventions make floors and backsplashes so much easier to clean. And the best part, you don't need to hire a professional to install them. I recently put some of these tiles in my kitchen, and let me tell you, it's been a game changer. Spills wipe right off, and I don't have to worry about stains setting in. It's made my cleaning routine so much simpler. Plus, they come in all sorts of patterns and colors, so you can give your space a fresh look without a major renovation. 3. Use Lazy Susan turntables for easy access. Have you ever found yourself digging through a cluttered cabinet, trying to reach that one item pushed to the back? Well, I've got a solution for you. Lazy Susan turntables. These rotating trays are a lifesaver in cabinets, the fridge, or under the sink. I've put one in my spice cabinet, and now I can easily find what I need with a simple spin. No more bending or stretching to reach things. It's especially helpful for those of us who might have mobility issues. 4. Use a folding cart for chores. Carrying heavy loads of laundry or groceries can be tough on our backs and knees. That's why I've fallen in love with my lightweight folding cart. It makes transporting everything from cleaning supplies to laundry a breeze. I use mine to wheel my groceries in from the car, and it's been a real back saver. When I'm not using it, it folds up neatly and tucks away in a corner. It's like having a personal assistant that doesn't take up much space. 5. Microwave cleaning hack. Cleaning the microwave used to be one of my least favorite tasks. All that scrubbing and scraping was just too much work. But then I discovered this amazing hack. Microwave a bowl of water and vinegar for 5 minutes. The steam loosens all the grime, making it effortless to wipe away. Now, cleaning my microwave is almost fun. I set the timer, go do something else for 5 minutes, and come back to a microwave that practically cleans itself. It's like magic. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and type "I am a minimalist" in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to participate in future giveaways. 6. Declutter as you go. Each week, I remove one unused item from my home. Sometimes it's a piece of clothing I no longer wear. Other times it's a kitchen gadget I never use. Another trick is to follow the one in, one out rule. Whenever I bring something new into my home, I make sure to remove something old. It's a simple habit that keeps things from piling up. And you know what? I don't miss any of the stuff I've gotten rid of. In fact, having less clutter makes me feel more relaxed in my own home. 7. Adopt the 1-minute rule. This is probably my favorite lazy cleaning habit. If a task takes less than a minute, I do it immediately. Wiping up a small spill, putting away a book, hanging up a coat, these tiny tasks take no time at all when you do them right away. But if you let them pile up, suddenly you're faced with a big cleaning job. By following the 1-minute rule, I prevent mess buildup without feeling like I'm constantly cleaning. 8. Stick to spot cleaning bathrooms. All that scrubbing and rinsing while bathroom cleaning was just too much. But then I discovered the joy of spot cleaning. I keep a squeegee in the shower and give the walls a quick wipe after each use. It takes seconds, but prevents soap scum buildup. I also use no-rinse sprays for quick touch-ups. It's so much easier than letting grime build up and then having to spend hours scrubbing. 9. Outsource when possible. I remember when my friend Sarah was struggling to keep up with her housework. She finally decided to hire a neighborhood teenager to come in once a week for some deep cleaning. It was a game changer. Not only did it take the pressure off Sarah, but it also gave a young person in the community a chance to earn some pocket money. Hiring a cleaner or a local teen for occasional deep cleaning can be a worthwhile investment. It doesn't have to be every week. Even once a month can make a big difference. 10. Leverage multi-purpose cleaners. Gone are the days when we needed a different cleaner for every surface in our homes. I used to have a cabinet full of various cleaning products, each for a specific purpose. It was not only expensive, but also confusing and took up so much space. Now I've simplified my cleaning routine by using a single all-purpose cleaner for glass, wood, and countertops. It's amazing how effective these multi-purpose cleaners can be. They save money, storage space, and make cleaning so much quicker. 11. Use over-the-door organizers. My neighbor, Tom, was always complaining about his cluttered bathroom. I suggested he try an over-the-door organizer, and he was amazed at how much it helped. These organizers are great for keeping shoes, toiletries, or pantry items off the counters and floors. They're easy to install and can be used in any room. In the bathroom, they're perfect for storing toiletries. In the bedroom, they can hold shoes or accessories. And in the kitchen, they're great for storing spices or small pantry items. 12. Create a drop zone for essentials. How many times have you walked into your house and just dropped your keys, mail, and bags wherever you happen to be standing? I know I used to do this all the time, and it led to a lot of unnecessary clutter and lost items. Creating a designated spot near the entrance for these essentials prevents clutter from spreading throughout your home. It doesn't have to be fancy. A small table with a bowl for keys, a tray for mail, and a few hooks for bags can do the trick. 13. Keep a donation bin handy. This is a habit I wish I'd started years ago. Having a designated spot for unwanted items makes decluttering a continuous, effortless habit. I keep a small bin in my closet, and whenever I come across something I no longer need or want. When the bin is full, I take it to a local charity. It's an easy way to keep your home from accumulating unnecessary items, and it feels good to know that your unwanted things might be useful to someone else. Congratulations! You've made it halfway through the video, so we have a small gift from our side, which is the free 7-day declutter challenge. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment to join now. 14. Invest in smart cleaning tools. Technology has come a long way in making our lives easier, and cleaning is no exception. Robot vacuums, self-wringing mops, and automatic shower cleaners can do the work while you relax. I was skeptical at first, but after trying a robot vacuum, I was sold. These smart tools might seem like a splurge, but they can be a great investment, especially for seniors who might have mobility issues. 15. Keep a cleaning caddy in each room. This is a simple trick that can save you a lot of time and effort. Instead of lugging cleaning supplies from room to room, keep a small basket with essential cleaning supplies in every major area. I have one in my bathroom, kitchen, and living room. Each caddy contains a microfiber cloth, an all-purpose cleaner, and any specific cleaners needed for that room. This way, when I notice a spill or a bit of dust, I can quickly grab what I need and take care of it right away. 16. Utilize a cordless hand vacuum. A lightweight cordless hand vacuum can be a senior's best friend when it comes to quick cleanups. I use mine all the time for crumbs on the couch, dust on shelves, and even cleaning out my car. These little vacuums are so much easier to manage than dragging out a full-sized vacuum for small messes. They're perfect for spot cleaning and can reach into tight corners that might be difficult to access with a larger vacuum. 17. Use a laundry hamper with wheels. Remember the days of lugging heavy laundry baskets up and down stairs? Those days are over. One of the best investments I've made is a laundry hamper with wheels. Now, instead of straining my back carrying loads of dirty clothes, I simply roll my hamper to the laundry room. It's like having a personal laundry assistant. This small change has made laundry day so much easier and less daunting. Plus, it's a great way to save energy for more enjoyable activities. 18. Adopt the basket trick for clutter. I used to spend hours walking around the house, picking up items and returning them to their proper places. Now I've adopted what I call the basket trick. I keep a small basket in each room of my house. Throughout the day, I toss any out-of-place items into these baskets. Then, at the end of the day, or when I have a few spare minutes, I make one quick trip around the house to return everything to its proper home. It's amazing how much time and energy this simple habit saves. 19. Practice surface cleaning daily. One of the easiest ways to keep your home looking clean is to give surfaces a quick wipe down daily. I keep a microfiber cloth in each room and spend just a minute or two wiping down countertops, tables, and other flat surfaces. This daily habit prevents dust and grime from building up, making deep cleaning sessions much less frequent and time-consuming. It's a small effort that makes a big difference in how clean my home looks and feels. 20. Set a timer for quick cleaning bursts. Sometimes the thought of cleaning can be overwhelming. That's why I've started using the timer trick. I set a timer for 10 to 15 minutes and focus on one cleaning task until it goes off. You'd be surprised how much you can accomplish in such a short time. This method makes cleaning feel more manageable and less like a chore. Plus, it's a great way to break up longer tasks into bite-sized pieces that don't wear you out. 21. Double-duty cleaning while watching TV. One of my favorite lazy cleaning habits is what I call TV cleaning. While I'm watching my favorite shows, I fold laundry, dust nearby surfaces, or sort through mail. It's a great way to make cleaning feel less like work and more like a background activity. Before I know it, I've tidied up a significant portion of my home without missing a beat of my favorite program. 22. Make bedtime reset time. There's nothing better than waking up to a tidy home. That's why I've made it a habit to spend just 5 minutes before bed doing a quick reset of my living areas. I fluff the pillows, fold throw blankets, and put away any items that have migrated to the wrong spots during the day. This small effort makes a huge difference in how my home looks and feels in the morning. It's like giving myself a gift of a fresh start every day. 23. Use easy clean fabrics. As we age, deep cleaning can become more challenging. That's why I've slowly replaced some of my home textiles with easy clean versions. Stain-resistant furniture covers, machine-washable rugs, and wipeable curtains have made a world of difference in maintaining a clean home. Now, when spills happen, cleanup is a breeze. This change has reduced my stress levels and made me feel more relaxed about having visitors over. 24. Label everything. I used to spend so much time searching for things in my cabinets and drawers. Now I've embraced the power of labels. I've labeled all my storage bins, containers, and even some drawers. This simple step has made organizing and finding items so much easier. It's especially helpful when I'm putting things away. There's no more guessing about where things should go. 25. Create a done-for-you cleaning schedule. I found that having a cleaning schedule takes the guesswork out of when to tackle different tasks. I use a simple printable chart that breaks down cleaning tasks into small, manageable steps spread throughout the week. Some days might involve just wiping down the bathroom sink, while others might be for vacuuming a room. This approach prevents cleaning tasks from piling up and becoming overwhelming. If you're tech-savvy, there are also great cleaning apps that can help you stay on track. There you have it. 25 lazy cleaning habits seniors can adopt for a clean and tidy home. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to join my free 7-day declutter challenge to take your decluttering journey to the next level. Click the link in the description to sign up.